Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, this is a chrysanthemum plant. And as you know, chrysanthemum blooms in the winter season. So we have to start taking care of it in the summer season only. Those who watch our videos from the beginning know that we have 5 to 7 types of chrysanthemum in our garden. And we have these plants for the last 7 years. That's why right now I will show you how you can get many baby plants from the mother plant. After flowering season was over, my mom trimmed the plant down to 4 to 6 inches. And she kept them in semi-shaded area. Slowly you will see that the mother plant will dry. And slowly the mother plant will also die. But you will see many baby plants growing from the mother plant's roots. This time you don't have to give any kind of fertilizer. And even if you have to give, you can give liquid fertilizers. And that too weekly. And after the baby plants start to grow, make sure that you remove all the mother plants from the pot. Because the mother plants will be prone to insect attacks, which will slowly ruin the baby plants as well. As in summers the temperatures are high, make sure to keep them in semi-shaded area. And don't forget to give them some mulch, so that they have a cool temperature around them. Look how much our baby plants grew within 1 month. My mom kept the pots behind the plants that are tall enough to prevent them from getting any kind of sunlight. Because only the early morning sunlight is good for this plant. We will also repot this plant in the end of June or July. And till the end of July comes, make sure to keep on trimming this plant so that it gets more bushier and healthier. Also make sure to keep in mind that in spring seasons the plants are prone to insect attacks. So make sure to daily spray them with neem oil or bioenzyme. And if you see any insect attack in your plants, then make sure to cut that stem off from the plant. And if you are thinking about giving any kind of fertilizer, nitrogen based fertilizer is the best for your plants this time. So leaf compost, tea leaf compost or coffee powder is the best this time. And if you're trimming the plants, don't throw the stems away, because you can propagate these plants easily. So make sure to plant those stems in soil and see your plant grow. If you have any questions about this, make sure to ask us in the comment sections below. Also, we have a full playlist on this, so you can also watch those videos. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.